Welcome to Forest Services Academy, Ghodagali, established 1881 by the British to train the forest guards and foresters, which were the field staff of the department. After partition, we established another Punjab Forest School at Bhavalpur, which was also established for the purpose of training of the field staff. After the 18th Amendment in 2010, our mother institution, Pakistan Forest Institute, Peshawar, was devolved to the KP government, after which the Punjab Forest Department felt a need for establishment of its own Forest Service Academy for the training of its officers. So we established Forest Services Academy in 2016 within the old campus of Punjab Forest School, Ghodagali to train the officers of the Punjab Forest Department, mainly forest officers, SDFOs, DFOs, conservators and chief conservators. This Forest Services Academy for training to the newly inducted officers in the Punjab Forest Department, as well as for the pre-promotion training all the cadres of the forest officers for the department before their promotion to the next cadre. We have got a gap analysis sort of training officers need to serve better in the forest department. So we have identified 18 subjects upon which we are imparting training to our newly inducted officers, including GIS, essential for imparting effective services to the public. The world today is highly dynamic and there are emerging technologies, emerging concepts, emerging challenges, problems which are to be tackled promptly, and for this various new disciplines are being developed all over the world. So we keep our manpower, officers, professionals to build up their capacity according to the developed world. Climate change and global warming, most challenging problem of today's world. We are empowering our manpower through capacity building to tackle these problems. We are also using new technologies, newly developed technologies, digital forestry concepts to tackle these issues, these problems. Recently, we have established a computer lab with the collaboration of Turkish TIKA organization, which is working in Pakistan in Forest Service Academy, to effectively train our trainees and officers in the field of geographical information system and remote sensing. Pakistan has approximately 4.78% of its total area under forest. We cannot increase the area as there are legal bindings or proprietorship issues. However, we can improve the forest cover and number of trees, tree density. We have established complete wing, improve the tree cover. Forest profession is an extraordinary profession. It needs a lot of devotion, dedication, commitment to be a good forest officer, forestry professional. So basically, we need basic knowledge and commitment. Commitment to our profession, commitment to our society, commitment to natural resources, commitment to the humanity. Forest resources, including flora and fauna, needs to be conserved in the real sense, which is only possible through commitment, devotion, dedication and professionalism.